Scoutbee helps some of the largest companies in the world, such as Unilever or Volkswagen, make better decisions about their suppliers. We have the Scoutbee Intelligence platform, which the first product that includes is called Intelligence. And that product helps customers make better decisions about their existing suppliers. So let's say I'm a user and I am using the tool. I can very simply come in, just like I'm in Google, in a search bar, type in, well, I'm looking for suppliers who produce chocolates. So that could be the product name you type in, or a specific supplier or a region. But you can very simply and easily then create a search, which within seconds generates results for you. So the results here are the suppliers who match what I typed in, chocolates. If I want, I can apply a number of different filters, such as I only want to see suppliers who produce vegan chocolates, or suppliers from a specific region, South America, or ones who have certificates for fair trade cocoa. So once I've filtered down the list to whatever suppliers I want to see, each of the suppliers has a supplier profile. So if we take this supplier here, what we do is we condense data from multiple sources into one spot, so you've got a lot of information to help you make better decisions quickly about this supplier. So we use machine learning and AI to go and basically understand like a general description of who the supplier is, what their locations are, headquarters, manufacturing. We understand what products they produce, the certificates that they may have, like ISO or fair trade cocoa, if they have special capabilities and so forth. So that's how we use ML to basically add data to a profile. We also bring in data then from third-party partners, such as financial data here, for example, about revenue and employees. We can bring in data from partners who do sustainability ratings, for example, on environment or ethical scoring. And then even if the customer wants us to give us some data that they have about their sourcing history, that they've worked with this supplier, or any sort of special spend information, how much they spend with them, and then ratings and reviews their employees have given the supplier. So you see the profile includes lots of information, and then the user can basically very quickly and easily have all that data in one spot. So when they're doing, for example, a quarterly review, make a decision like, is this supplier still fit for purpose? They can then use other functionality, such as structured comparisons, to say, okay, I've got 5 suppliers, but maybe I want to work more closely with just one, and then be more strategic and have more of my spend with that supplier. They can then select what attributes they want to compare the suppliers on. They can drag and drop the ordering, which ones are shown, which are not. Maybe start ranking, this is the best one. And then after that, using data to make decisions, they can say, well, I want to keep working with maybe these 2, but I want to actually find a replacement for these because they're not maybe as good as I thought. So now I'll quickly show you how then we go from the intelligence tool here, which helps them make decisions about existing suppliers, to then using a very complementary product called Discovery, which helps the user then find new suppliers. So this is basically like Google for more complex procurement type searches. So the user starts off by providing the search criteria. So then they can type in a product name like chocolate bars or ice cream, if there's any special materials. So let's say, fair trade cocoa they want to have included, or if there's a special manufacturing process, they can type that in here. They can add other information about like if they're only looking for special regions, or if they have any known suppliers or any other requirements, they can fill that in. So procurement searches are more complex than a typical Google search. So that's why, just a search bar may not get you the best information. So we try and guide the user to get the best search results with the form fields approach here. And then once the user submits that, our tool then uses AI and machine learning to go basically look at all potential new suppliers that we can find that match those criteria. And then when that search is done, the user can come back and review the suppliers that we suggest to them. So let's say I did a search for ice cream, and then what you see here is the suppliers who Scoutbee has found, and then we've ranked to be the best fitting to match the search criteria provided. So this is called a long list, and then every supplier here that we found that could be a new potential good fit, we have also built a profile for them. So then the user can very quickly then come in, get consolidated information to help then see of these, let's say 30 to 50 suppliers we found and ranked, which ones they actually want to engage with to potentially see if they could be a new partner that helps make their supply chain more resilient or more sustainable or so forth. So that, in a nutshell, is the Scoutbee intelligence platform. Again, having two main products: intelligence, helping our customers make decisions with data about existing suppliers, and discovery, which is, you could say, the Google for procurement, helping them make decisions and find new suppliers to help make their supply chain stronger. Thank you.